Shaking, bro. Shaking. You. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Archie Vlogs, and we're gonna play Natural Disaster Roblox. Okay, so the disaster is a fire. Um, Yo, there's fire already. Yo, there's fire already. Okay, we need to get out. We need to survive this. What the heck is this guy doing? Is this guy hacking? What the? Where's bro have a hammer? I don't have in. What the? Bro's breaking something. What is this guy doing? Dude. And what is this guy doing? Yo! Dude, this girl almost got... Let's go! I win. What the? Bro, what is this? There's someone hacking again. There's someone hacking this game. By the way, this game is built from 2016. So this game is so old. Heights is cool. By the way, in this game, there's apple and balloon. If you want one, you need to buy 80 Robux for it. The balloon is you can fly with it, and the apple increases your health. Yo, earthquake! No, earthquake! No, no. You do it. Wait. Go outside. Oh no, it's earthquake, dude. Wait, it's shaking, bro. Shaking. You, bruh. Because of the shaking. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. And if you subscribe, I will post a video every day. I promise. Okay, bye. Okay, bye, guys.